well, the brake pads wasn't as bad as I thought they were. But that piston looks pretty pushed out. These brake pads are really cheap, so what I'll do is there's many ways you can get these the calipers pots pushed in, and one of the easiest ways is to just get a screwdriver and pry it in there, because you're not going to use those pads again anyway, so it doesn't matter if you damage them or not. Or you could get a C-clamp and clamp it down and do it that way, but you might mar the end of the caliper. So I just get the screwdriver and just pry it open. The screwdriver was getting a little hard, so I just put the C-clamp on like this. I just put the cloth over so that I don't damage the paint on the other side or what's left of it. Oh, look at that, bro. That's pretty messed up, bro. Had a little problem with my screws. They're pretty screwed up, bro. So I used my trusty speed out, and that got them out there in a jiff. Thank you, speed out. So I'm gonna change this fluid, man. This fluid is no good. You can actually see the moisture in there floating right on the top. You see it? Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna go ahead and rebuild my master as well. Okay. Aloha. Oh, the brake shoes. Getting back to the brake shoes. Brake pads. That's how old I am. So what I did was I pushed them in, and I'm gonna get ready to extract them. And I don't think you have to loosen those what they call slider nuts. I don't think you have to, but I did, so it's not a big deal. Aloha. Let's take a look. There we go. And then you can get your carb cleaner and get all in there and get those pads clean. Put some lubrication. I don't know, some guys do, some guys don't. Some lubrication on the slider, but it should come out fairly easy now. There we go. But yeah, you can see how it's kind of rusty and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and sand it and put some little bit of lubrication in there where it's kind of just sliding on there. You see it? Like I said, my pads weren't worn that much, but I don't know if that number is when it was changed or what, 2004? Oh. 2104? Oh. Okay, Aloha. Yeah, that's it. Just clean them up with sandpaper. A little bit grease. And then just line them up. Slide them in. And lock them down. The easiest way I found is to load it into the carrier unit first, and then put on your pots after. Okay. Then you just slide them right on top, and then you use some grease, and then you're gonna grease them, slide them inside. Okay, and once you get all that on, just torque them on. What I'm gonna do now is, since my brake fluid is so atrocious, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna rebuild my master anyway. So we're gonna bust the line. Doug, my buddy Doug, is gonna bust the line from the top. Oh, you know what? Use this. Doug is gonna bust a line from the top. I don't know if we're gonna get enough room with the dog on the kind or the dog. You know what? Try loosen them with the 2/8 over here, and we try spin them down so you get more room afterward. Okay. So what we'll do now is loosen those 210s right there. No, you tighten them. You tighten them. Move though. This is very important. There's two little winglets, I guess you could say, but you just gotta push down on the winglets, dog, and then they come right out. And then
only one side. One side.
Oh, one side.
Yeah, one side.
Then we took that off. Oh, we got the plunger out, Doug. Wow, look at all of this. In Hawaiian we call this kukai, yeah? We call this the doo-doo, yeah? Oh, the doo-doo in there. So we're gonna go ahead and rebuild this caliper. Wow, Doug was able to get this rubber off in one piece, but we were not gonna need it. But what you wanna do is you wanna keep this all in order so that you know which way you're going, you know which way is up. So I'm gonna go ahead and reassemble this assembly. Aloha. Alright, so we got this master. Wow, this looks a lot better, but you still can see we got some kukai over there. That's caused by moisture, and moisture in the brake system, to see a whole bunch of moisture build up like this is pretty troubling. So you want to go ahead and take care of it. Smooth action. So Doug went ahead and put the all balls kit together. Wow, I'm really impressed with the all balls kit, because it comes with all of that. And look at that right there. Look at the crush washers. And not only that, but I was really worried about this, and it came with these. What a trip, because my old one and the rubber. So, well, it's just impressed me to the max. And we got these screws, and we're just ready to go, man. We are ready to go. And Doug has been helping me, and what he did was he coated the whole assembly with brake fluid, so we'd have a really smooth installation. We're gonna change the brake fluids in the whole system, and that's it, man. Aloha. So you're gonna have to take off the brake lever. Don't forget the brand new. Oh, it came with the brand new spring too. No, I'm gonna use my old spring. Wow, look how cherry my old spring is. But the old spring gotta go inside, dog. No.
Where?
Inside here?
No, go in there. Look.
Oh boy, inside there, right there. You see that little notch? Fantastic. Doug is gonna put it inside that. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, hold on.